Students, welcome to online class. In the last class, exercise 7.1, 1-2 sums completed. Now write down problem number 3, 7.1, problem number 3. Verify that the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -1 are collinear or not. So, we have to do verification whether the given points are collinear or not. So, see the problem clearly. Verify that the points 1, 5, it lies in first quadrant. 2, 3, again it lies in first quadrant. -2, -1, it lies in generally third quadrant. Are collinear or not? So, what is the definition of collinear? Collinear definition. Points lying on the same line are said to be collinear points. Define collinear points. Points, 3 points lying on the same line are said to be collinear points. How to prove the 3 points are collinear? Either by using distance formula or by using area of the triangle formula. Two models are there. First one, you better to use distance formula. Second model, area of the triangle. So use area of the triangle. If you are getting 0, then the points are collinear points. So two models are there. First model, you better to follow first model, distance formula. Second model, area of the triangle formula. Both are okay. So you better to use distance formula. What is distance formula? Distance between 2 points ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That is distance between 2 points formula. So what are the points given? Now let us name the first point as A. First point name A. 1, 5. Let us take the first point as A. Take the second point as B. 2, 3. Third one C. -2, -1. Take the first point as A. Second point as B. Third point as C. You better to use distance formula. So distance between 2 points. Distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula for distance or length between 2 points A and B. So distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. First to find out length of AB. So find out length of AB. A 1, 5. Let the point be x1 y1. B 2, 3. Let the point be x2 y2. Then formula substitute. Distance AB equal to root. Substitute in formula x2 minus x1 whole square. What is x2? 2 minus what is x1? 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. 3 minus 5 whole square. What is 2 minus 1 whole square? 1 whole square plus what is 3 minus 5 whole square? Minus 2 whole square. Then 1 square how much? 1. 2 square how much? 4. Root 5. So that is AB. Find out length of AB first. Then BC. Start writing BC. B is what? B 2, 3. C is what? -2, -1. First one x1 y1 again. Second one x2 y2 again. Again substitute in formula. BC equal to root x2 how much? minus 2 minus x1 how much? 2 whole square plus y2 how much? Minus 1 minus 3 whole square. Then how much? Minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus this is also minus 4 whole square. What we get? 16 plus 16 minus 4 whole square 16 again minus 4 whole square 16. So how much? Root 32. How to write 32? 16 into 2. What is root 16 into root 2? What is root 16? 4 root 2. Root 16 is 4, then root 2, that is BC. Then find out AC or CA finally. Find out AC. So AC, A is what? A 1 comma 5 x1 y1, C minus 2 comma minus 1 x2 y2. Root, substitute again. So what is x2? Minus 2. What is x1? 1. So minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Again, what is y2? Minus 1. What is y1? 5 whole square. This is minus 3 whole square. Minus 2 minus 1. Minus 3 whole square. Plus minus 6 whole square. Minus 3 whole square how much? 9 plus 36. 6 whole square 36. So 9 plus 36 45. Root 45. How to write 45? 9 into 5 means root 9 into root 5. How much? 3 root 5. First one root 5. Second one first one is how much? Root 5. Second one is how much? 4 root 2. Third one is how much? 3 root 5. And condition for collinear, add any two. If you are getting third one, they are said to be collinear points. Suppose first one root 5, second one 4 root 2, both are different, addition not possible, leave them. Second one 4 root 2, third one 3 root 5, both are different, leave them, addition not possible. First one AB root 5, last one AC 3 root 5. By adding them we get to 4 root 5, but we are not getting 4 root 2. So here by adding any two we are not getting third one. So if we are getting third one by adding any two, they are said to be collinear points, otherwise they are non-collinear points. Add AB root 5, AC 3 root 5, by adding them we get 4 root 5, not getting 4 root 2. So here AB plus BC not equal to AC. By adding any two, we are not getting third one. So they are collinear points. AB plus BC not equal to AC. They are non-collinear points. Here AB plus BC not equal to AC. Therefore A comma B comma C are non-collinear points. Collinear points. A comma B comma C are collinear points. So this is the procedure to find out whether the points are collinear or not. So what formula we use? Distance between two points. First find out length of AB. How much? Root 5. Next to find out length of BC. How much? 4 root 2. Next to find out length of AC. How much? 3 root 5. We are getting root 45. 45 can be written as 9 into 5. So finally we get to 3 root 5. Then observe, by adding any two, we are getting third one or not. So I am doing all three. I am adding AB and BC. I am not getting AC. I am adding BC and AC. I am not getting AB. I am adding AB and AC. I am not getting BC. So all three not okay. They are collinear points. Therefore A comma B comma C are collinear. A comma B comma C are So A comma B comma C are non-collinear points. Condition for collinear points is by adding any two we get third one. Condition for non-collinear points is by adding any two we are not getting third one, means they are non-collinear points. AB plus BC not equal to AC, therefore A comma B comma C are non-collinear points. That is about third problem. Then fourth one is problem number 4. So problem number 4 is check whether the points, whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4 and 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. This is problem number 4 in 7.1. So what is the problem? Read the problem. Check whether 5 comma minus 2, 6 comma 4, 7 comma minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle or not. So 3 vertices, 3 points are given. We need to identify, we need to verify it is isosceles triangle or not. First of all, what is the definition of isosceles triangle? A triangle in which any two sides are equal, it is known as isosceles triangle. So what is isosceles triangle? Any two sides are equal, then it is known as isosceles triangle. Then see the solution. Take the first point as A. First point A given A 5 comma minus 2. Second point B 6 comma 4. Third point C 7 comma minus 2. Then use distance formula again. Distance between two points. Distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And so this is the formula we use to check whatever the triangle may be, any triangle verification, use distance formula. So what is distance between 2 points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Any triangle verification, find out AB, BC, AC. First find out AB. First AB. A 5 comma minus 2. It is x1 y1. Then B 6 comma 4 x2 y2. Then substitute in formula. x2 minus x1 whole square, 6 minus 5 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. Y2 how much? 4 minus 2 whole square. 6 minus 5 whole square, 1 whole square. This is 4. Middle 2 minuses are there. Minus into minus plus 4 plus 2 whole square. 1 whole square, 6 whole square. 1 whole square how much? 1. 6 whole square how much? 36. Add them, we get the root 37. So that is AB. Then find out BC. Then BC. Next to BC. So BC, B is 6 comma 4, x1, y1. What is C? 7 comma minus 2, x2, y2. Then substitute in formula again. Same formula, substitute again. So 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. This is 1 whole square. 1 whole square plus minus 6 whole square. 1 whole square 1 minus 6 whole square 36 root 37. Second one root 37. Find out AC also. So AC A 5 comma minus 2 x1 y1. C 7 comma minus 2 x2 y2. Again substitute in formula. So what we get? Root 7 minus 5 whole square minus 2, then 2 minuses are there, minus of minus 2 whole